space. Today we're going to be working in the PowerShell, and we have some bunch of tags here on the left pane that we're to work with. So let's start up immediately. And the drive we're going to be working on is the D drive. So let's get into the D drive. Alright, while inside the D drive, the first task is to create. So we'll type in md space / utility. Utilities / recover. Alright, that is created. Then the next task is to delete arch98. Alright, so let's delete. Delete will be rmdir space and software / arc98. arc98 space, and this will ensure it is deleted. Are you sure? Typing Y. Of course we're sure. The next task is to set the following files as hidden. Alright, so let's start up. To do that, we're going to need attributes. So attrib attrib space plus h. H is the attribute, so space, it's gonna be in the D drive, space software / apconfig .exe and .exe and is that correct? Yep. Alright, so that is done. So the next task is we are going to hide attrib space /cmd strt.cfg. Is that correct? It has to be correct. If not, it's going to come up with an error. Alright, I think that is correct. So poof, we enter. So the next task is attrib space plus h space right in the D drive / what is it, strt.bat. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes, it is. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is to set the following files to read only. So we are setting the following files to read only, and what is still attribute attrib plus software / soft cfg.cfg. Let's ensure everything here is correct, otherwise it will come up with an error. Alright, software / soft cfg.cfg. I think this is correct. Alright, so the last but not the least is going to be we see the attributes. Oh, there's an error here. We are not supposed to hide that. So this is supposed to be R, so plus R space D config software / pixel.cfg and arrow. Alright, so attributes so this particular file was hidden. Software CFG, we are not supposed to hide it, we are supposed to just set it as read only. So we are going to unhide or make it open back. So attributes minus instead of plus. Instead of plus, we're making a minus H and the name of the file is software / soft cfg.cfg. Alright, so is that correct? Right. So it's now unhidden, so let's go ahead and make it read only. So attrib space plus no let's not make the mistake again, plus R space, it's gonna be software / soft cfg.cfg, soft cfg.cfg. Alright, so that is correct. So let's check our answers, and everything seems correct. If this video was helpful, you may want to consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Scholar Lab.